this?
Yeah, like that.
Oops, restart that. It's just gonna be like the quick, it's gonna be like that, like that's all you're gonna see.
Okay. Do you want me to have the camera facing that way and then like go like this to the car? Or do you want me to face like this and then keep going?
I think I would rather have the, like, you see the car do the turn.
First and then follow. So how close do you want me to follow? Because I can't really run that fast, as fast as your car.
Yeah, okay, I'll go way slower then. I couldn't really gauge that yet.
Yeah.
But I'll go really slow.
Okay, I think that actually came out pretty good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No offense, you're on an awful turn.
What?
Go back up to your driveway.
Oh, okay.
Get like a video of me shifting, I guess.
Okay.
Things like that. How do I get to Saybrook Ass from here?
I don't. Take a left. That's the fastest way.
Left.
To get onto 202, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. I think I know where we're going now. Daniel's car looks good.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Instead of third.
Wow.
Like that was a proper shift, I just didn't mean to.
Yeah.
I just luckily got the RPMs right.
Yeah.
I was so driving your
yeah, the clutch. No, really? Like, damn. That's funny. I didn't even notice. Was it at like the red light?
No, it was in your driveway.
I was filming you too.
You definitely noticed it in video. Oh, that'd be so weird.
Can you see? Like pretty good?
No.
What the? And then we cut it from the last one where there's a red trunk and now it's blue.
Nice.
Your neighbors must hate us.
Yeah.
we are such assholes.
I forgot about that.
Tearing it up.
Yeah, this car makes all of its power through high RPMs.
Yeah. It makes I don't want it to like pop out of the slide one day because it isn't lubed up very well. Yeah, I'm so quiet in my neighborhood. I'm like 4% throttle maximum.
No, I make sure my neighbors know where I am.
Really?
Oh yeah. They listen to me grind metal for like 12 hours straight every day for 6 months. Oh, that sounds so good. I like looking at all the white mob that stare at you as you go by.
Yeah, go to a gas station. I'll go to a gas station because I have to get gas.
I got a present for you, bro.
Yeah, there's ash in there from the previous owner. Like, it used to be filled to the top.
Anyone deserves it.
Yeah. Because he treated the car nice, and then it got to this condition not because of him.